video we are assembling the Gnome carrot bag. So I have already started and put my hair here on the back, and I'm going to point out that the base pieces of the bag, one side has a slit and the other side has this tab, and this is for closing the bag. So we want to make sure that when we are gluing the hat on, that we're applying the glue to the base. And I don't want to put any glue in this area right there, because I want that to stay open for my tab to slide into. Okay, and the hat that goes on the back is straight across the bottom. Okay, and then it's the same for the front. We don't want to put any glue here on this tab. We can glue below it and around it, but you don't want to glue right there on that tab, okay? Now, my machine moved. My paper came unstuck when I was cutting out this face, so it's not cut quite right. It's good enough. And you just kind of want to center that there, and then your beard goes over it. I'm going to put my carrot top on. And I think I want to pop my brim with some foam tape. It only needs 3. There we go. Then my beard is just going to go right down on here. My mustache already has the foam tape on it, so I'm going to do that there. So you want to make sure you get your beard high, high enough that it's not hanging over the bottom of your bag. I'm going to put my mustache on. I'm using my foam squares again for this one. I've also put a foam square here on his nose and on his shoes. There we are. And then you just have to put your bag together. Trying to hold it in place for a second so it won't slip. Do this both ways. And put the bottom on. Hold a couple corners and get that stuck there. Grab my tool, push the bag out. There we go. This makes it easier to reach down inside and push those tabs down real good. Then you can take your little tab there you go, and slide it in, and that holds your bag shut. So that is the Carrot Gnome. Thank you for joining me.